Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Artistic Sonal Vlogs. Today we are going to make an Apsara and I will try to cover all the steps in this video so that if you want to make this portrait you can make it easily by seeing this tutorial. Okay, let's start making it together. At first we will draw outline of this portrait. Alright, so here we are done with the outline part and now we will draw the face of this Apsara, and after that we will make eyes, eyebrows, nose and other facial proportions together. And now I'm adding some detailing on the sari. Right after that I'm using a paper stump to blend all the detailing part and even out the portrait as you can see here. Next we will use pencil, a darker shade pencil to highlight all the outlines of this portrait. So here is the final look. As we can see, she is looking royal, elegant and a perfect Apsara vibe she is giving. Okay, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.